to our RTG coordinators from Samaritana and Life Giver Church Family Ministries. And of course, our very own Means representatives, Reynard and Boots Manahan. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Welcome ulit. I am Carmena Cruz, the president of Means USA. On behalf of Lina Padilla and our 20 Means volunteers, we welcome you to your MOU signing and get together. Why is there a MOU between parties? Why is MOU important? An MOU is important because it helps all parties work together with clarity, trust, accountability, and unity toward a common mission. And as for us, it is the Read to Grow program. And as for Means, it is the accountability and transparency expectations from Samaritana and Life Giver Church Family Ministries. Means is the source of funds. Means as the source of funds reserves the right to withdraw its financial assistance to the program in case of non-compliance with RTG requirements by the contracting parties, that is Samaritana and Life Giver Church Family Ministries. Such requirements include timely posting in Means Global, proper accountability and transparency, and the submission of monthly liquidation of expenses incurred. To many of you, probably developed their critical minds to teach children know God's story and Jesus' compassion, to learn the four components of RTG: picture walk, read aloud, word wall, and reading lag. What are the RTG best practices? Read. Read books with Christian values. Teach. Teach children to read and write. Grow. Grow, serve, and eat nutritious meals. RTG is a safe place for children to learn and have some fun. And most important of all, the children get to hear the compassion of Jesus Christ through our RTG teachers. So why are you here today? Bakit kayo nandito ngayon? Thank you for being here today. As we conclude the signing of MOU, we hope that you will live with a renewed excitement for teaching children to read and write, and a deeper compassion for helping them come to know Jesus Christ. The 2026 theme for RTG is Love God, Love People. Love the Lord with all your heart. Love your neighbor as yourself. Again, love God, love people. To everyone here today, especially our Read to Grow volunteers, may you find joy in serving your community. May this day be filled with meaningful learning and encouragement as you continue making a difference in the lives of RTG children. It is more fun at our RTG centers. Have fun. To God be all the honor and glory. Thank you, Lord, for the opportunities to serve you in our communities. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Maraming salamat.